Let's see how this headpiece got installed. First step is to cut boards for the workpieces. Now I can mark height of the openings and position of the top board. Then I measure and mark profile that needs to be cut out. I outline this element so I can project hole position. At the corner, I just mark it with a drill. That's how it's all come together. What a beauty, shame it's on the back side. Perfecto! Let's mark position of the holes. Here comes the headpiece, let's fix it. I really didn't want to use any metal parts in the project, but to keep it detachable, decided on threaded metal rods. And here we have it, Internet.